Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you people are doing well. So I Renu Singh welcomes you all to my another video. So in this video I am going to discuss about the jobs available at Byju's are permanently work from home or they are work from office. So we will discuss about this only in this video. I have just taken this topic to make a video just because many of you are asking to me in my comment section, ma'am, is it this job profile is work from home or it is a work from office? Okay, so without wasting time, let's start the video. So this is this academic specialist job, especially in Byju's, is a work from home permanently. It is a work from home job profile. Okay, or the other jobs like sales and team acquisition team. These kind of profiles are work from office, but the tutoring team, whether they are senior academic when you are going to be promoted, whether they are senior academic specialist or whether you like academic specialist, those who have been selected recently, they are employee of work from home. Okay, you need not to work from office. You need not to relocate to the places when they if you are thinking like our main location is Bangalore, so they are not going to call you there. It is for the people those who are from other departments. Okay, for academic specialist it is only a work from home. But if you want to join from or you want to work from office, like it is your choice to work from office, there is an option. You can work from office. There are around 120 office all over India of Byju's, but especially for sales they are having these offices over there. But if you want to go to office and work from there, they will provide you space there to work from there. But for that you have to first talk to your manager. Your manager will send your request to your HR. Your HR will provide you a approval letter to particular place, like especially in metro cities they are having offices. So for the particular that location you have to ask them in your request letter. So if they approve, you will get an approved letter. By taking that approval letter and your ID card, you can go to that office which is nearby to you, or you can, if you want to go in main office, you can relocate over there like in Bangalore. So it is your choice, but for that you have to took a approval from your HR in which your manager will help you. So I think your confusion is clear. This is permanently work from home job. Okay, so this is all about this. And one more thing I want to discuss in this, I want to include in this video only for about referral. Many of you are just concerned that, ma'am, we have not received we are not having any response from them, we are not having any mail from them. So I can do only referral. Your selection, your shortlisting of your demo, these all things will be take care by the team, by the authority, not by us. We can only just refer your resume to them. So then processing team will just shortlist you. They will contact you. We can't do anything in this. We can only help you to just contact them. We can only send your resume to them, nothing else. So at least wait for a month, because number of people are applying nowadays and it is becoming little hectic for them to shortlist. So just have some patience and wait for at least 1 month, and after that if there is no reply from them, that's their side, it means you are not shortlisted for that, but you are still interested. What you can do, you just wait for another 2 months. 1 month you will wait for the reply, wait for another 2 months, prepare well, and again you can reapply. Okay, so don't be panic yourself and stay relaxed and prepare yourself again and have a reattempt for that. That's it about that. All the best for those who have been shortlisted in demo and preparing for an interview. Okay, that's it all about the video today, and I hope you like the video. And if my video is little bit informative for you, please put the thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.